In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Gk61 keyboard software. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to hkgaming.com. Now, once you're at their official site, we want to go ahead and click on the download button. And from here, we want to scroll down. So this is where we can find all the different keyboard softwares here. So we've got your GK series here, you've got your HK Gaming. But what we're after is the GK, and then the product compatibilities or compatibles is Gk61, 62, etc. So we want to go ahead and download that. So now that's going to download onto your computer. Now, once it's finished downloading, you want to go ahead and double click to open up the exe. It might be in a RAR file. Now, if you get this, Windows Protect Your PC, click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. And then click Yes. Then from here, it's going to open up the Welcome to the HK Gaming Utility Setup Wizard. So click on Next to install. To continue with installation, go ahead and click on Install. So this setup is now ready to begin installing HK Gaming Utility on your computer. So click on Install, let that run, and then that's going to successfully install and download your HK or your Gk61 keyboard software.